Today, we're doing a sneak peek at this cute, darling little classic pre-war bathroom that it's the third time I'm in here for one of my favorite clients, and we don't usually do bathrooms, but we do for our existing clients because they take so much time and they're really usually too small. But what we have is a surround tub, our classic 4x12 ceramic subway tiles. I did a frosted glass liner, and below, which you can't see, is a 12x24 porcelain that's gray. Kind of looks, it's just a really pretty gray marbleized kind of porcelain. We did basically windowsills are at different levels, but we decided to pull in the tile heights because it's level and the windows are not. Always something. And today, all of my plaster guys come in to try to finish the ceiling lights. We templated the glass doors yesterday. Monday, we'll bring the countertops in, but as you can see, and we'll see whether we can get any of the before pictures in here, it's just a huge difference to have everything clean and crisp and wonderful. Ciao for now.